Hello, this is Yahweasel.
And Mallow, let's play Spaghetti Junction!
Spaghetti Junction, what's your function? Making
so
code
first
unreadable.
step.
Yeah, clear. Just send that code to hell. Okay. Now, I want you to read from the inbox. I don't have any mouse control, so I'm gonna have to... Yeah. Now I want you to jump if negative. Now, in the positive case, shall we say 1 is positive? It doesn't really matter. Let's say 1 is positive. So in the positive case, I want you to copy from... No. I want you to copy from 1 and put it into whatever slot you feel like. Put it in slot 0 or something. Just immediately copy to slot 0. We're going to use a piece of information to store whether this was positive or not independently. Then after the jump if negative, and we're going to have to make another jump to get around that, let's, yep, copy from, there we go, now you're getting it. And now let's make that a proper else branch by jumping out of the jump if negative, or the positive case of the jump if negative. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so now we know whether the first one was positive. Let's read the second, do the same thing, but now we don't need to copy it to anything. We just need to read in either 0 or 1.
And then, let's see, so if I have a 0, if I have a 1... If I have a 1 in my hand, okay.
Can you please at least put the jump to make that a proper else branch? It's freaking me out.
Are you happy now?
Happier. Can you get it home from here? Can you?
Probably. Let me think about this for a second. Okay, so if I have a 1 up here, then it was positive. If I have a 1 in my hand, that was also positive. Okay, so if I subtract them, then that'll give me 0, which is right. But that's not always going to work because it could be a 0 minus 1. If I subtract them and it's 0.
You're so close. Right. You're so close. What jumps do you have?
Jump if negative.
What other jumps do you have?
Jump if 0. Oh, of course. Okay. So subtract from the dealie here, and then jump if negative.
What? No.
What?
No. We just determined that jump if 0 is something that you have, and if it is 0, then that's correct.
Yeah. That's what I meant. Okay, so if it's 0, then that's actually what I want, so I can just put that directly into the outbox. And if it's not 0, then I want to put the 1 in the outbox, so I'll copy from...
He's done it! He's done it!
Jump.
No, why would you... You're just gonna jump and then immediately put it in the outbox anyway. What a bizarre thing to do that is. What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Jump and then do no extra steps.
Who needs to put things in the outbox?
What the hell is... What is happening with the jump at line 16? It's a nightmare.
I don't know. I don't know why that's there.
That's the jump I was trying to get you not to.
I see. Why did I put that in there?
This might be the shortest program. I don't know if it's the shortest number of steps, though. I doubt it's the shortest number of steps.
17 was. I guess we'll see.
I think 17 was the shortest program. Maybe it was a 15.
Right. I feel like it might have been something like that.
Because you can probably do it without these else's or some other clever way like that.
Yeah.
Oh wait, it does copy to 0 regardless at the end, so we could have just we could have gotten it shortened by 1 just by making that not conditional. 12. Wow. Okay. Number of steps we might be
kind of high because there's a lot of
50
placing things in
so there's the optimization problem. You can make
this is the nicest looking code.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm just gonna continue though, because we don't need to figure those out.
I just wanted it not to be spaghetti code. That was not a best challenge. That was a dear
I agree.
God, what's happening challenge.
All right, Sabbatical Beach Paradise. We get to learn more about this. Oh, I don't think I remember this. I wonder if they put this in here.
I don't know what the hell sound I think I'm making. Neither of us can hear the game now because we're professionals.
Hooray! Is that me? That must be me in the chair.
I guess. You're the only one who's tiny.
Yep.
Some horrifying nightmare monster.
Countdown!
Do-do-do-do-do-do. References.
Oh, yes, indeed.
Yes, welcome back. Tick, tick, tick. Time keeps ticking down. Let's get to work.
Don't worry about the random robot arm. It's probably fine.
Oh.
Why are you a different person?
Oh, that's a really good point.
Just throwing that out there.
This is why.
I love what you've done with your hair.
See, when I went on sabbatical and changed my hair.
But what have you done with your skin?
Yeah, how's my skin different?
Wasn't your skin green?
No, my suit was green.
Oh, you're... Okay, never mind.
For each number in the inbox, send that number to the outbox followed by all numbers down to 0. Or up to 0. Ooh, that's what makes it tricky. It's a countdown. You got new commands. They add 1 or subtract 1. Yay! Plus, plus, and minus, minus.
Bump plus and bump minus. Are the words increment and decrement not in like the common lexicon? If you like,
they're longer than they wanted, and maybe not. They have copy from. The result is given back to you.
And ink and dec. I mean, come on. You've already got sub instead of subtract.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Well,
bump plus, bump minus.
You can't expect a 7-year-old to know what increment means. Okay, so I want to do things.
Congratulations!
I guess I have to start out with checking if it's negative.
Oh yeah, what does it say to do if it's...
You
okay, yeah, you go towards... Okay, got it.
Okay, so... Well, I should put it... Regardless, I should put it in... Well, let's see. Do I include 0? I think I include 0. It's not very clear about that, actually. Down to 0 means I include 0.
Yeah, I think that includes 0.
So I'll put that in the outbox regardless. And then I'll jump...
They'll just throw away the value immediately. Outbox gets rid of the value, lest you've forgotten.
I did forget that, yes. So, okay, fine. I'll copy it, but I don't want to do that. If I can do this without memory, can't I do this without memory?
I don't think so.
Okay.
You need memory because for some unexplained reason, when you put things in the outbox, you forget what they are.
Yes. Okay. Well, I think it's because visually...
Well, yes,
no, because it could just copy it to the outbox.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't... that doesn't happen with copy from and copy to on the floor, so...
Okay, anyway. So if it's negative, I want to bump it up. Oh, because... Oh, I have to bump it... It's not bump up whatever I have in my hand, it's bump up whatever's in the memory. Okay, that does make a difference. Okay, so in that case... Okay, and then if it's...
How bizarre!
positive,
like, every operation works on the register except for bump plus and bump minus, which are memory only!
Yeah.
What the hell is the... What kind of microarchitecture are you running here, HR machine? It's like... This is like Intel 4004 bullshit going on here.
Okay. And then I want to check if it's 0, I guess.
I'm trying to think if there's a clever way...
I'm wondering... Let me think about this.
So...
I still have to get this in here.
So this is a fairly... well, I mean, that's wrong, but...
Yeah, there's something in here that I'm missing, obviously. Oh, yeah, because I still have
quite a few things that you're missing, actually.
Okay, so if it's 0, I do want to jump to the beginning, but if it's not 0, I can just jump to here, right?
What? Oh yeah, okay. Well, but there's the problem. Okay, so the thing is, we assume that if it's 0, you still want to output it.
Oh yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's a good point. That makes things trickier.
Done it though.
I'm trying to think if there's a way to change the negative value into, or like change a positive value into a negative value.
I mean,
so I could use jump if negative, but
I was just going to suggest that. Well, no, I'm not going to suggest. It's all on you.
Yep. Okay. I mean, I don't want to do it. So the thing is, I could probably do it by, or I could easily do it by just adding another like copy to an outbox command. Oh, I could just do that here. No. I'd have to add another jump command.
I mean, I don't see a way of doing this that doesn't. Well, yeah, I don't see a way of doing this from here, so to speak, that doesn't involve more commands.
I mean, that would work, I think.
Yeah, I think that'll do the right thing.
Yeah, let me try that. What did I do?
Oh, you can't do that comparison because freaking outbox destruction. It's so annoying. Why does the outbox eat things?
There. That should fix that. That seems stupid. Something
seems slightly
inefficient.
Perverse. I can think of a number of different ways to do this. I cannot off the top of my head think of which one is like certainly the best.
Yeah. Well, this works. It's stupid, but it works.
So the first thing is that you're not using your sort of contextual working memory very well. That's definitely wrong.
How did that happen?
You had a 0 as your input.
Oh.
And your condition on 0
and I copied it
at the end. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm going to clear this.
So my hint to you is that you're not using working memory very well.
Yeah,
you're not, because you're doing the bump and then immediately using the value you bumped and throwing away the value that's in your hands.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so I could copy it first. I don't even remember what I did anymore, so... okay, so I definitely need to copy it to memory.
Don't worry about it, the thing you did was garbage, so...
Yes, indeed. As usual. Mallow does garbage. Okay, so...
We're writing a garbage collector for Human Resource Machine.
Okay, so I definitely want to outbox it right away, and then I'll check if it's 0 immediately.
Already made a mistake? Okay, so off to a really brilliant start.
Did I?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Box.
I shouldn't give hints, but like... I already gave you the hint that you promptly ignored. You seem so confused.
I am. I'm thoroughly confused.
I'm just going to say the exact same hint a second time. You're not making very good use of working memory. That being whatever's in your hand. Your singular general purpose register.
But what can I do with what's in my hand other than
Well, think about the implications of the fact that increment and decrement only
works. Of course. Of course. Okay, so... We'll bump it down, or, well, we'd have to bump it first, is I guess the thing. Okay, but I do want to now check if... I guess I do have to put the output at the end.
I mean, I don't like your scary jump if 0 sitting there for no reason.
It's just sitting there for no reason. Yeah. I want to at least check if it's negative, though. Because I need to bump up in that case. But no, I do have to check if it's 0.
Not yet. Not at this point.
Well, I have to check if it's something.
Yeah, you have to check if it's negative.
But if it's 0 and I... Oh, but if I bump whatever's here, it doesn't matter. Because I'm still holding the 0.
Now you're getting it. Now you're getting it.
See, that's the thing, is like whatever's the memory on the ground, I don't like it being...
Exactly, it feels weird to do a definitely wrong action with the thing on the ground, but you're not going to use it if you're not going to use it, so who cares? Yeah, sure, if it's positive, then bump it up.
Yeah, you shut your mouth. Alright, so now I have what's in my hand, which is the original thing still, and then I still need to do this. I can put whatever that was into the outbox regardless, and if it's 0...
Then you've now lost it because you put it in the outbox.
Exactly. If it's 0... Well, I need to put it in the outbox either way.
Yeah, I can't think of a particularly beautiful way to do this last bit. Yeah, that's more or less what I was thinking.
Alright, so if it's not 0... Then...
I haven't yet made sort of clever use of pre-jumps at the beginning. Oh, I've... No, okay. I haven't got it. Yeah, I can't think of a cleverer way to do it than that.
If it is 0... Oh, no. If it's not 0, we need to go back to here, I think. If it is 0, we need to go back to here. Is that right? I think that's right.
No.
Well,
you are now... 0... Or yes, sorry, right, because bump acts on the well, no, sorry, because bump acts on the thing, so now you're just overwriting it.
Oh, yeah, okay, so just here. No, I need to grab the thing first, okay. Copy from. Okay, so if it's not 0...
Just place it after the end of the program, so we'll never reach it.
If it's not 0, then copy it. Okay, that should work.
Jump if... Well, that's not in the not 0 condition, but,
Oh, that's in the is 0 condition. And then this is... Okay, yeah, that should work.
Yeah. There's definitely something better to be done in that last bit there, but the...
I didn't put the 8 in. Wait a second, let me watch this again.
Yeah, what actually happens with bump? Does it not do what we think it does?
I think it does both. It grabs it too.
It also grabs it. Dang it, game!
Game!
You and your slightly inexplicable instructions.
Game. Alright, so it bumps it and grabs it. Well, that makes things different again.
That changes my whole strategy. Sorry, I just led you down a terrible path.
Well, I didn't realize that either. For some reason, I was thinking it was doing what you thought it was doing. Okay, so grab
because it's so inexplicable for it to do what it is doing. But we're gonna make it work correctly next time.
Next time.
Thanks for watching. Here's from Yahweasel.
And have a great day.